Who they there? Here we are, your boy Lawyer. What's the level, my guy? They say carry waka better pass carry sit down. If you not fit fly, run. If you not fit run, jump. If you not fit jump, waka. Even there, crawl. Not cause they go to one place they door because no door movement. So if you door, na your fault. Now your man Tisha Worry, aka Worry na you, who no know me na stranger, who never see me before, na newcomer. Oh boy, as I dey like this, I get 1 or 2 alignment to give. Yeah, say I want edit some keys for you. They hear the word of the Lord. 1, I want inform you. They let you the name to the everybody life. 2, I go dey educate you. Most times when they come into my program, I show you they learn you new things. Why the third one I be this? I go dey entertain you. You not fit call yourself you not spy because the word of God say with joy shall you draw water out of the well of salvation. Oh boy, me I dey come, no waka, no door. Just dey with me. Just say me myself I dey come. Everywhere good.
Compliments of the season, and it's that time of the year again at Swift Dry Cleaners in our Wash and Win Big promo from the 1st of December 2020
to the 31st of December 2020.
Simply wash with us at Swift Dry Cleaners for up to 15,000 naira and win something really amazing for Christmas. Isn't that amazing?
And we offer 20% discount on all your beddings and curtains for the month of December.
And we are available to make your laundry easy with our home pickup and delivery services. And we are only a call away.
Simply call 070-6663-8213 or 080-2959-7180.
Or walk into any of our amazing stores at Lekki, Okpepi, Ogba, Aja and Olowora and feel our care.
Swift Dry Cleaners. Quick wash. Impeccable look.
Welcome, my man. How you can see I'm everywhere good. Now your man, you don't know me. We don't come to steal. They say the way the life strong reach way coconut they come. It carry water come because if you not come water for rotting for street, no buy for yet. Now determination. I make Okada fire pass trailer. They say the guy man mind dey say if I pass the trailer and I go out, they not be play. Now foundation of ours they make us a strong. Go boy today you get some kind of ogbonge news when I want to edit with you because we can't discover say for this country they say everybody na thief but who you owe. That be ole, not be joko. E get one thing happen for inside the immigration office. This one come outside because we can't see happen inside the life as in for the net. E come show clear. You dey confirm this man. Na senior officer for inside immigration office. So the man sit down. He call the disarm, they collect, they lose guard, they draw. He call the you understand me so. He dey onyo. He call the use am for them. People luggage. Now the man call the disarm their canary. They draw their phone. They win their property. But to call the long story short, wetin you want talk for this man matter? He can't take work. You know. Say I like tell you so everybody na thief, but who you owe? I be ole. The man can't take her very serious. He call the disarm people things, but finally they catch am. And he na officer beside the office. How they want to do the matter? Me, I dey come back. I go talk more about this issue. But for those of you that never watch the video, me say Agwario. Welcome, bros. How you come confirm? I say the man disarm phone like area boy for area. I don't know whether he get buyer for the phone. No. See, he put phone for cocodus. You know woman, they say woman they hide her for inner chamber. The man own na inner cocodus. He bite all his shoe, all his leg, all his waist. I say, oh, nani day for inside this country. How you want to talk now? Now the Christmas matter, I cause have been on the celebration issue. Senior Mark, all the disgrace, all all these things say na only for Africa, Nigeria and all this kind of thing dey happen. They call they make us we dey shame for our country. Not be joke, bros. Nah, the man dey be like say he never see phone before. He shame for himself because e get like how many phones dey ground when the man don lose guard. But to cut the long story short, na officer for inside the office, na they go see settle the matter. Even though he go station or he come for station na people ask, some people still get extra space for there. But we hear last year say don full like this now. We no know how to carry the man go sell other car and come back. But one thing I know for inside there, na officer for inside the office. So anything they do, na so. Akpaigo bre, make them forget that matter. Make them, you understand me? So make them leave all those on. My father says by the wayside. Now like this, we come discover say the policemen where they go on break before they don't come back. Now they come back, they call it dance. Then they get joy, say they don't come back to the street to cause all the issues because it don't turn pakula now. Then the officers they keep one car one keke man because of 100 naira at that time. Now again they don't come out they dance, say they don't give the office because the orientation when their general be their commander give them say make them hold their rifle well because he say he get one question wey the man talk. He say that e dey good for policeman to die when he carry rifle. Na English word he take talk that word. I laugh put because in dey let policeman dey know say that rifle he also make the dey protect himself. You understand me? So but to cut the long story short, now they don come back, they come dey celebrate say they come back to the street to at least they are also lean, they go continue their, you understand me? So the overstate they also a day they get more than $500,000 bros for one squad though, not be joke. Wait till they try to tell you say me and now too dey talk much because for where I dey like this time they say second of making money, no friend, no foe. Akpaigo bre, make them leave that matter. For those of you that never watch the video, me say agware. Welcome my guy, you don confirm am. They do choreography like say na church they go dance. They celebrate. They say like this celebration period, so they come back on the street at least they'll figure that money to do some kind of miscellaneous for the road because now also lean. Now work, now company work like this. So they, when you pay your money, they shout for you now say come change that fast. The money not good. You don't yet way God. I say the road work, you dey drive pilot, you dey vex. You dey drive boy, you dey vex. Bicycle set. I can't discover say that call Lagos. If I book the road, they pay tax. For worry, people they hawk, they pay. As if they won't kill us on the road, though, they scrape us on the road. It don't turn work now. The guy ID card, they tell say will be road transport worker. They speak English because who not go school. Now road, it take the lead. Make I leave that matter because Ogbonge news in the ground. This one for GH, it happen for Ghana. Me I don't want to talk this matter because I can't see old man of 66 years. He can't say na 25 years old girl now one go dey go. She called the user. He called the take her like company work. The man book one guest house according to the storyline we get. Now he carry the young girl. They say one free waste, all he waste road. Now should get full arm. He say one day, you know these things now. I call the jama juice. Allow me to use such language. Now once the man carry the small letter, the cocoa juice, he call the user for am. To cut the long story short, or where they whip the girl. They call break. They call discover say the man self fly gather him out because he called to fire himself. They say use some highness mundo because to cut the long story short, so kind you know it I try talk. I don't know the name there. We discover say the man carry drugs concept to take forward himself like Maro tunde. He called it but fly gather him out. Abu happy self. The girl run leave back. They break. They discover say for the hotel room. The man don't let go. He just once I say for free 90 die. He die for free. The girl run because the girl still not being killer. The girl not know killer. Only way till the girl know. Now till they break matter, they settle. Now we play. I say the man said, everybody see for he come one small Corolla, one red pepper, 90 day. You know what I mean? So but me I dread the Corolla because I sharp on. Bro, some we play. The man die for streets. The man die for free. This celebration period, I will give you one key advice. Be sensitive. Not call the go the hallway. Make sense. Dey your head. Not call the rush. Because not be today you don't dey whip. You understand me? So this period see coordinate yourself. If you dey use product via highness so they on high grade, coordinate your grade make you not go because if you don't know if like gather your mat, now say they call am for Yoruba they say na orilo mo. You die for street, you die for road, nobody know you. Make them forget that matter. Another alignment there on ground. This one's where I want you to take close because this one a celebration period too. We discover say for the Lagos life good is full ground. Allow me to use that word. They can't get one of our man for area. The guy during the celebration and everything, the boy come in because they laugh because he can't give us a kind style. He can't let us they don't say now one life I get, I don't get another life. Area boy will be say himself because say he want to go collect money for POS. Everybody call the fool. He call the dance. So every day the dance and I don't forget where time day. Me I don't want to talk more because now celebration period of the day. For those of you who never watch the video, me it's Aguario. Welcome, bros. You don't confirm. I say the guy they give us step. All the guy body don't full. If I say highness fully body after day like this, so my own body don't not be joke. The guy just the day joyful. My grandma tell one thing. This period though with this swear not pepper for anybody. See, just you know that kind of thing like say you just dey. Not call they say man the best. Not best as you take this. So they smile because one this period now they take bomb Christ. He can pay for our the sins. You understand me? So the work where Jesus come. He say, I don't come for you to come for mumu life, for you to come for death rowness. So this period swear not called events. Leave everything for God down. Tell her say, this period now a period I go dance like David. David say he dance forget every time then I got break his face with new things. But to cut the long story short, me myself I don't want to exhaust. We have say my time. I get one or two alignment that I want to go do. I believe say I go meet you again. Now your man worry now you aka Tisha Worry and I dey on iBrand TV. This Wahala Parliament do day today swear bros. As I won't cross, I go like see you again. If I tell you say me you like or me you comment, that means say I beg you to comment. As you dey like this, so look the station. There say the alignment hold on. Follow up. We dey on Instagram. We dey on Facebook. We dey on YouTube at the same time. We dey on Twitter. Like on your notification because me myself I be loader. Me you self the day active because they say if you follow no road, you self you go no road.